Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called how I make iced carbonated coffee, blackberry natural flavor. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug, and then you get the strong coffee to pour inside from this percolator, and last but not least, you get the Blackberry natural flavor sparkling water. Now it's very good. What gotta do is oh, will you look at that. Gotta scoop it out. Foam. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated strong coffee, blackberry natural flavor. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.